I need to gather data from a web service for my project, but I'm not sure how to make HTTP requests in Python. Can you suggest a way to do this?
Definitely. The requests library in Python is what you're looking for. It's a powerful HTTP library for making all kinds of requests. Have you installed it yet?
Not yet. How do I install it?
You can install it using pip. Just run pip install requests in your terminal, and you should be good to go.
Great, it's installed now. How do I make a simple GET request to retrieve information?
It's quite straightforward. Here's an example where we make a GET request to httpbin.org, which is a great resource for testing HTTP requests.
What does response.txt contain?
Response.txt will contain the response body as a string. In the case of httpbin.org/get, it returns a JSON with the details of your request.
What if I need to send parameters with my GET request?
You can pass a dictionary of parameters to the params argument, like so.
And for posting data?
For a post request, you use the data argument. This time, the data will be sent in the request body.
Can we also send headers with our request?
Yes, headers can be sent as a dictionary to the headers argument.
How do we handle response codes or check if the request was successful?
The response object has a .status_code property that gives you the status code. A successful request usually returns a status code of 200.
What about dealing with JSON responses?
If the response data is in JSON format, you can use the .json method to parse it directly into Python data types.
Sometimes I encounter APIs that require authentication. How does requests handle that?
The requests library has built-in support for different forms of authentication. For basic authentication, you can just pass your credentials as a tuple to the auth parameter.
Is there a way to handle request timeouts?
Yes, the timeout parameter can be used to specify how many seconds to wait for a response before giving up.
This has been super helpful. Is there anything else I should know about requests?
Just that it's also important to handle exceptions for robust applications. For instance, Request.connection error can be caught to handle cases where the connection to the server fails.
Thank you so much. I feel much more confident using the requests library now.
You're welcome. Happy coding with Python and requests.